she is the second wife of the respondent. Earlier, she took the divorce by mutual consent. Later, she married this second respondent, petitioner. Then the during the lifetime of
Both were
for her husband also. After the death of her first wife, he got this lady. He got the second one. See, husband has filed a petition for divorce. Then the same is allowed. Now she is not she is the divorced wife.
You are educated, 48 years old, you don't work, and you ask for maintenance from a 65-year-old man who is suffering with different ailments. But anybody can get a job with for her requirement. What that you are seeking, the court has granted 6,000. What with 6,000 you can live your life?
My lord, in the first matter, my lord, there are two revision petitions, my lord. First matter, the revision petition filed by the wife, my lord.
Second is by the husband.
Seeking
What is the amount? What is the amount granted?
6,000, my lord. Earlier it was 3,000 only, my lord. Subsequently, after seeking enhancement, my lord, 6,000.
No, it is enhanced to 6,000.
Please, my
To
lord.
the wife or to the child also?
No, my lord, only for wife.
Wife. What is the husband doing?
Husband was the principal, my lord, in the Women's College, Ballari, Government Women's College, Ballari, my lord.
How much is earning?
My lord, now 53,000, my lord.
Retired.
After retirement, he is getting a pension of 53,000. Earlier, my lord, he was getting 1 lakh, my lord, at the time of working.
What is the wife? What is her qualification?
My lord, wife is having a degree qualification, but my lord, she is jobless, my lord. She is not getting any income.
What is her age?
My lord, age is 48 age, my lord, 48 years, my lord.
When are they separated?
In the year 2011, my lord. 10, my lord.
She is the second wife of the respondent. Earlier, she took the divorce by mutual consent. Later, she married this second respondent, petitioner. Then during the lifetime of
Both were
for her husband also. After the death of her first wife, he got this lady. He got the second one. And for the first wife, he has 2 children. For her, prior to the marriage, but after the obtaining the decree of the divorce from the family court, my lord, she got the second man, his husband decree. Then in the year 2010, she filed a 125 petition under section.
Which year? 2000?
2010.
10.
That is in Kannada, my lord. Kindly peruse.
What happened to this MC?
MC, see, husband has filed a petition for divorce. Then the same is allowed. Now she is the divorced wife. And she filed a petition for restitution of conjugal rights under section 9 of the Act that came to be dismissed.
And while allowing her petition, permanent alimony was not granted.
Permanent alimony was not granted. Why? Because, my lord, she is a BA graduate, and also prior to that, my lord, she had one female child, my lord. And permanent alimony was not. Why? Because she filed a petition for claiming maintenance under section 125 of the CRPC that came to be allowed in the year 2 prior to the filing of.
What is your age?
Now he is retired principal, about 65 years. Pension payment order also, I may be.
She is 40?
She, as on the date of the filing, she was 40. That last title indicates that, my lord.
48, my lord, now.
48 now. 65 years in the RW1, in criminal miscellaneous number 172 of 2004.
She is 48 years old. He is 65 years old. You want maintenance from him?
Good.
Besides, my lord,
Some reason. What?
Yeah, he is having agriculture income, rented income. He has not.
All one aspect.
Besides, madam, he is suffering from heart ailments. He took treatment in Jaideva Institute of Cardiology, my lord. He was admitted, and besides.
The court speaks about an able-bodied man. No, you are an able-bodied woman. He is not. Isn't it?
Not, I do agree, my lord, but he is getting the income, my lord, that income to be shared with.
You are separated in 2011. We are in 2022. You are educated, 48 years old. you don't work, and you ask for maintenance from a 65-year-old man who is suffering with different ailments. How is it right on her part?
My lord, she is the jobless lady, my lord. She is,
Why?
my lord, nobody can give this job, my lord, at this age, my lord, 48 years, my lord.
What job she wants that nobody can give? Please don't tell the court. If somebody wants to live there, have their own earning that you don't get. You say that I want only that job that you might not get. But anybody can get a job with for her requirement. What that you are seeking? The court has granted 6,000. What with 6,000 you can live your life?
As
My
per
lord,
my knowledge, my lord, she is working in a pharmaceutical company, but to that effect, no document has been produced, which is an admitted fact. He tried to produce certain documents, so he went there to give certain documents. They have denied, my lord. As per the records and in the cross-examination also, it was asked that she is working in a.
So, for example, that pension amount can be you can attach the pension amount.
My lord, we are not seeking much amount, my lord, only,
No,
my
I'm
lord,
just asking you a legal question. For example, he will not comply, he is not complying with the order. What amount he has is the pension amount. No, you can attach that amount. I'm saying about the next step.
please, my lord, as per the order of the court, my lord, he has to pay, my lord. And
He has
thereafter,
to pay,
my
no,
lord, otherwise,
I'm
my
not
lord,
on that point. No, for
I got
example,
the
if
point,
there is-
my lord,
if there is any
if we fail to
default,
pay that, my lord, we will have
If there
to.
is any default,
Please, my lord.
then you have to file an EP. Now, what you want to attach is his pension.
Pension and other income also there, my lord. We have produced sufficient documents before the trial
No,
court.
this is not the
And my
case
lord-
where the
my
court
lord-
can accept that you want maintenance from a
My
65-year-old
lord, we have
man.
filed the petition for restriction of conjugal rights and they have filed the petition for divorce. Thereafter, my lord, we have challenged the same, my lord. The interim order has been granted by the division bench of the Supreme Court, my lord, of the divorce petition, on the divorce petition, my lord. A stay order has been granted on 18/8/2021, my lord.
When is the divorce decree granted?
2021 only, my lord.
Hmm?
2021, my lord.
When is it coming up for hearing?
Certified copy of the judgment of decree passed by the lower court.
What stay granted by the court?
My lord, in the division bench, my lord, the divorce decree has been stayed, my lord. Stay order has been granted by the division bench.
So it is stay of all for that is you shouldn't get married again.
Yes,
That's an order.
at the age of 65 years.
My lord,
Not going to-
she is trying to
Can't afford
rejoin,
to have
my lord,
one
she
more
is trying to
maintenance
rejoin
case.
the husband, my lord. Now, my lord, what has happened, my lord? She also got one daughter, my lord. She has also married, my lord. Now she is alone, my lord. But she is trying
yeah.
to rejoin the husband. He is not ready to
He has
join
two
with
children.
the, that is the case, my lord.
He has two
I
children.
better adjourn this matter instead of dismissing it.